Hi, I'm Emily from Motormatch in Stoke, and today I'm going to be showing you around this automatic Subaru Outback in silver. This Euro 6 compliant model is equipped with a responsive 2.5 litre petrol engine and Subaru's renowned four-wheel drive system. This vehicle stands on these machined dark metallic 18-inch alloy wheels, complementing the car's exterior perfectly. Moving into the front of the vehicle, to ensure that the road ahead is fully illuminated, you benefit from LED automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights and LED front fog lights, complemented by your stylish rear lights to ensure that you are always visible to other road users. Moving now into the vehicle's rear cabin, we can see the stunning leather upholstery with your Isofix anchor points there, perfect for securing those child seats, as well as a ventilation system with your two rear heated seats for your rear passengers to enjoy. Moving now to the vehicle's automatic tailgate, which reveals ample of room inside, perfect for the weekly food shop, sporting equipment, and even those holiday suitcases. Now, as we move into the front of the cabin, that stylish look continues with the same upholstery on the front two seats as the back, and it is also an electrically adjustable seat to help you find your ultimate driving position. You also have your sunroof here on the front portion of the vehicle, perfect for those summer months. Now, taking a closer look at your steering wheel, you can control the functions of the infotainment system by click of a button. And below there we have the controls for your heated steering wheel. Now moving over to the infotainment system, you can adjust the vehicle's settings via the screen, as well as access navigation to ensure that you never get lost on those unfamiliar journeys. You can also explore all the radio options available or connect your own device to listen to your own music, either via USB or Bluetooth, or connect your phone to make and receive those all-important phone calls. App Connect is available as well for seamless smartphone connectivity. A digital reversing camera is also provided on this vehicle to make manoeuvring easier than ever. Your climate control and also your two front heated seats are also adjustable via the infotainment system. Moving down, we have a USB-C charge port and USB charge port to ensure the devices are always charged up. And there we have your automatic transmission in the centre console. Thank you for watching this presentation on this automatic Subaru Outback in silver. If you are interested in this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team here at Motormatch Stoke.